you guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I am so freaking excited, so damn excited for this reaction. I haven't seen the video yet. I've heard the song a million gazillion times because Tinashe, can we just can we take a moment? Okay, her new album is everything. I can't, I'm so freaking proud of her. I'm so happy for her because I've been following her career since, oh my goodness, I've been following her career before she even was like a solo artist. It's quite funny. In 2011, 2010, I was like a sophomore. I think I was a sophomore, maybe even a freshman in high school. She's, I think, like a year older than me. Or we might both be in 94s, because my birthday's at the end of the year. But yeah, basically she was like in a girl group at the time, and they came to perform at like a benefit at my high school. I went to a performing arts high school, and she and her group went there to perform, and there's another artist who is now solo in her group. Is her name like Haley something or Coco? I don't know her name, but I've been seeing her and I'm like, damn, I literally have an autograph of the girl group and Tinashe signed it, and I'm like, I met Tinashe. I didn't know that was her back then. I knew her face, but I didn't know her name. And then she resurfaced again with the song with oh my god, why is my mind going to a blank? Schoolboy Q. Is it 2-1? And one of my friends was like, oh, do you want to go to the club to see her perform? It was at like La Mirage nightclub. I was like 19 at the time, and I was like, I guess. So we went to see her perform, and I was like, yo, she performed at our high school. And she was like, I don't remember. I was like, I have her autograph. So anyways, to see where she's at now and to see how far she's come, and her artistry and her craft is really, really shining bright in this project. Well, her album, I'm so excited. Okay, this is my favorite song off of the album, by the way. So the fact that she made a video to the song, I'm hyped. So anyways, let's get into the video. It is called Stormy Weather. Yes, Tinashe, you're giving me contemporary. Show off your dance background. Yes. If I would do that, I would fucking break my neck. Getting older, yes! She's so beautiful. I'm living for the choreo. Yes! Oh my god. Simple but so unique. Yes! Look at him wearing a thong. You better own it. If my ass was that high up, I would be wearing a thong too. She said, throw me up in the air. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes! Oh my god, I'm so fucking hyped for this. Break it down, sis. Do the 8 count. Do the 4 count. Do the 2 count. Yes. I have a dance background, so I know a little bit about contemporary life. It's like modern dance mixed with contemporary, ballet, jazz. Girl, me too. It's been cold as hell. I'm loving her hair too. I think her hair is so pretty. We have similar hair textures, so I'm loving that she's rocking her natural hair. Yes! I saw a little snippet of this on Twitter. She said, end point your toes, split in the air, split on the floor. Yes. I would break my back and my neck trying to do that, but Tinashe said, for all y'all untrained dancers, this is how it's done. Wow. Did you really have to go off on us like that, Tinashe? Like, was it necessary? I think the fuck it was. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. That's it. Like, period, poo. Like, that was amazing. It was simple, but amazing. It was just her beautiful curly hair, her dancers, a white backdrop, it looked like spandex, like just tights, and she just danced. As a dancer, I really, really can appreciate choreo, and it was not easy. You know, I can't do that. So I know that a lot of hard work went into that. It's just so refreshing to see her coming into her own artist, and you could tell she's really happy with the music that she's putting out. And I hope you guys buy her album, support her music, and yeah, I'm really excited to see what 2020 has in store for her. I really want to see her do live performances, because that was super good. Like, these other hoes could never. I'm just kidding. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.